Welcome back guys to another cocktail vlog. Today we are making one really easy, real simple cocktail, nothing too complicated. It should be quite delicious. It's called Kentucky Colonel. This is a cocktail that first appeared in Jack Straub's 1914 Manual of Mixed Drinks, and the recipe we are using today is actually an adaptation from Stanley M. Jones's 1977 Jones Complete Bar Guide. It's nothing too complicated, it's 2 ingredients only, so without further ado, let's make a Kentucky Colonel. So the first ingredient is of course Kentucky Bourbon, so we're using wild turkey, 60 ml or 2 ounces. And the only other ingredient that goes into this cocktail is Benedictine, 15 ml, half an ounce. Now add plenty of ice and give it a good stir. Yeah, that's about it. Ooh, nice. Now we need an old-fashioned glass. And use a big block of ice if you have one. And strain the cocktail over a block of ice. For garnish, use the lemon zest. Squeeze it, express the oils. Give a little rub and just drop it in. That's it, ladies and gents, Kentucky Colonel. Cheers! It's good. Simple, 2 ingredients only. Couldn't be any more better. Or maybe it could. Try it and play with it, experiment. Be creative. But this is the original recipe, actually the adaptation by Stanley M. Jones. It could be maybe just a little bit sweeter, but you can taste Benedictine. It gives it that beautiful sweetness, and you can taste the strength of bourbon. It's quite good. For a simple cocktail with only 2 ingredients, this is amazing. Believe me, try it. Try it. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Kentucky Colonel. Nothing too complicated, 2 ingredients only. I've seen some variations of the recipe, you know, considering the amount of bourbon and the amount of Benedictine. But if you want to experiment, go play with it, try it, try the different amounts, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Like always, hit that like button, it means a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.